Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert an extra column or how to add columns on your table in your Microsoft Excel on your computer on the Microsoft Excel web. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert a column on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer, just going to show. So here I just going to first of all I just create only two columns and 4 rows. So I'm just going to insert a table first. So I just inserted a table here. Okay, so we just add a more columns here. So to add the column, you have a two option. For example, if you just need only one column, just click on any cell and right click here on, you will see option called insert. Click on this, and here you will see option called table column to the left. Click on this, which will be add the columns. You can see this is how you add the column. The second way to add a multiple column, just click on this option, just hit the cell column like black color and just expand this. That's it. For example, here I'm just going to expand this for like this. You can see now it's created more columns. So this is another way that you can just create more columns on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the supervisor content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Unique. Have a wonderful day.